All right, we have a situation here where I happen to buy myself this cute little relay. Basically, the problem is I can't buy another relay for my 86 Chevy Blazer, K5 Blazer. Parts are unobtainium. There's no new old stock. All there is used stuff, which is not guaranteed to work, by the way. So I found this cute little guy here. It's a X-ray 0020, that's Oscar, November Zulu, Foxtrot, Hotel Zulu, timer relay, timer module, DC, made in China. And some sort of cute little Chinese things there. Kind of looks like a little sun and some buildings. Oh well. Anyway, this is the device, and it's intriguing because it has, look how small it is. Look at my dirty fingers. It's got these little connectors on here. It's got a ground, and I guess it's got a voltage input. Don't know what their monikers are for voltage input, but they did do ground correctly. I like the word ground there. It came out okay. And there's some sort of relay. I think there's some sort of little diddler here. You can adjust the timing on this. It says not M. Maybe it doesn't say not M. Yeah, maybe it does. I think this is the relay. It's a 12-volt DC switchable side, and it will run, no, I guess it'll handle up to 250 volts AC at 10 amps, and it takes up to 28 volts to switch it. They told me it would run okay on 12 volts. Anyway, and then these are the outputs. You got a common, and I imagine you got a normally open, normally closed, but that doesn't make any sense. CK and CB. Well, there's some new lingo that I don't know about, and a push button that you can use. So right now, my wiper module is cooked, and I can't find what part died on it, and frankly, it's got an IC chip in it, and I'm not IC chip smart. I'm IC ignorant. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the circuit. Probably have to hang another 5-pin relay in there, or this can control the wipers, or the normal high-speed, low-speed can control the wipers, which I still have. I still have high-speed, low-speed, but I don't have any of the intermittent wipers. So this is going to be my intermittent, so I'm going to have to set it and forget it, I guess. Come up with a timing factor. This would be an interesting little experiment. So I think this is going to fire another relay, and I'll use my switch on my wipers to turn on the relay also. About to hang a diode in it so I get feedback. But anyway, I'm not really electronically smart. I can read a schematic and figure this is something I can fix, and this is something I cannot fix. But anyway, that's it. And it came in this cute little bag. And that's it.